This is the Wan 2.2 GGUF model with Stable Video Infinity used as a LoRa. There are 5 images uploaded for the same character in different positions without any prompt, as you can see here. And the result generated looks good to me. The result can be improved by interpolating frames, which can be done by activating these nodes. For some reason, nodes inside the subgraph have to be activated manually. Hope this gets fixed. I will run the workflow. The result generated looks good. I have the option to upload more images or make this workflow even longer. The multiple image was generated using a different workflow, which works with the Flux and Qwen model. This workflow takes an image and generates multiple images from different angles. The same images are used here. This image is used twice because I wanted to increase the length, and this is just a test. The result generated looks good. The difference between 16 and 32 FPS might not be noticeable on a YouTube video, but there is a huge difference in the result. I can upscale the frames to improve the result further with the help of this upscale model. I will share the link to this upscale model with other files. These are some basic details about the workflow by the creator. But the workflow originally looks like it is from the comfyUI's template section. The template is named Multi-Keyframe Video Stitching, and it looks like this workflow has been upgraded. Click to load the workflow. And I will ignore this because we just need to go through this quickly. Here, we need to upload the first image, which is connected with the first subgraph, and this is image 2, which is connected with the first and the second subgraph. The image 1 is the starting image for the video in the first subgraph. And the second image is the ending image in the first subgraph. The same image is the start image of the second subgraph. This is continued further in a similar way. The output image from the subgraph goes to this batch image node, which combines the images from 2 subgraphs and gives out all the combined frames to the next batch image node. The frames from the third subgraph are also combined again, and it is continued to make the final result. The number of frames produced from one subgraph is 25, which is short, but the quality is great, and we can add more subgraphs and make it longer. Let's look at the files required in this workflow. These are the high and low noise GGUF models used in this workflow. There is this NSFW warning, so I have given the direct download link to both models. Click this to get the files directly. This is the link to the FP8 model, and below is the link to the smaller GGUF model. You can get both the high and the low noise model from here. So those were the options for the diffusion models, and next is the Stable Video Infinity LoRA. Get these 2 files, which are the high and low noise models. Next is the link to get the Light X2V LoRA to speed up the video generation. Then there is the text encoder and the VAE. In case you are downloading the GGUF diffusion model from here, you do not need to get this Light X2V LoRA because it is already baked in within the diffusion models. But if you are using this FP8 or the GGUF models from these links, then you will need to get the Light X2V LoRA to speed up the video generation. The diffusion model, which includes the Light X2V, is selected in the UNet loader. And then there is the LoRa loader with the Stable Video Infinity LoRA selected. The node in between is for the Light X2V LoRa, in case you choose a different model above. Similarly, the Stable Video Infinity low noise is selected below, followed by the text encoder and the VAE. The link here also points to a GitHub repository, which you need to clone with Git. This is a custom node used in the workflow. Below are a few examples where we can see multiple images used to generate this clip. Multiple frames are used here to control the video, and this example looks good. The images used to produce this video are visible above, and the transition between those images looks pretty smooth. I think we can make product videos with it. There are custom nodes used in this workflow inside the subgraph. This is from the custom node group, and on the right I see this RG3 node group. comfyUI layer style, and then this. This is from the same node group we saw on GitHub just now. The other node can be installed from the comfyUI's missing node manager, but this one may not be found by the node manager. I am well aware of the security concerns about getting random nodes. So I checked this node.py file, and I did not find any suspicious code as of now. To clone this, you need to have Git installed. Search for Git for Windows, and then download the file from here and install it. The installation is simple. After download, you need to check if it is accessible. To do so, open CMD and type git hyphens and then letter V. You should see the version installed. If it says Git not found, then you need to search for Edit System Environment in the Advanced tab, and then click on Environment Variables. In the System variable, look for the path and click Edit. This is the path where Git is installed, and it needs to be present here. If it is not, then you have to create a new path. The Git path must be the same for you if you do the installation with the default settings. Click OK after adding the path. Close the CMD and open it again, run the same command, and it should work. After you have Git, open CMD in the custom node folder. Copy the repository path, type git clone, and then paste the copied path. For me, it says the folder already exists. In case you want to update the node, open CMD inside the project folder. And then you need to type git pull, then press enter. Restart comfyUI, and then you should have these nodes. Below are a few settings that you should be looking at, like the number of sampling steps for the high and low noise models. Frame size and the sampler can be left as they are. There is one more workflow that uses the Qwen model to generate images from different angles. So this should work here. I will be giving both the workflows, this one and the one with the Flux Qwen model. Both workflows are explained in older videos, and the link to those videos will be in the workflow. This workflow with the image you are seeing here will be given in a different folder. And I forgot to mention that I added this patch Sage Attention node in this workflow. You can bypass it if it does not work for you. And then you should be able to make this video to begin without any problems. So that is it in this video. I hope the video was informative, and I wish you an excellent day.